Welcome everybody to day 3 on time. I'm going to look at telling time to the nearest 5 minutes again, and if you're unsure about any of these you can refer to yesterday's video because that talked through some of the activities and some of the strategies we could use as well. So just some learning reminders. Here we've got an analog clock. We know it's an analog, it is the round clocks with the numbers 1 to 12. This one, the shorthand is the hour hand, we remember because hour is shorter than the word minute. Minute is the long hand. On the inside we've got our hours, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And of course if the minute hand is pointing at them, it could be minutes. We know that we can count on our fives, which is around the outside, 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way up to 60. And the little ones are individual ones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on this one, an easy way to remember is the hour hands. The hours are in the inside, and they've done the minutes and counting in fives on the outside. That might be an easy way just to remember it just for now. A few questions for us linked to some of the learning we know we have done in school. How long does the minute hand take to go all the way around the clock? Okay, we can have a look. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 minutes. And we know if it's go around, that's 1 hour. So we know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Count around the clock in steps of 5. Well, we've done that. It's 60 minutes. How long does it take to get halfway around? Well, we can use our fractions. Half is straight down. 30 minutes. If we was to go straight across, because we know that's equally half, we could count around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Doesn't matter which way you halve it, if you count round it will always be 30. Okay, so half an hour is 30 minutes, 1 hour is 60 minutes. A few other questions I'm just going to ask you about link to time and our understanding of days of the week, etc. How many days are there in the week? In fact, get a pen and pencil, write these down to these questions. How many days are there in a week? Correct, there are 7. How many hours are in one day? Have a think. There are 24 hours in one day. How many months in a year? Okay, there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many weeks in 1 month? Tricky one. There are 4 weeks in 1 month. Mostly. How many weeks in a year? There are 52 weeks in a year. And the last one, how many days in a year? 365. And there are sometimes that slightly changes with leap years. Just some information that you do really need to know in year 2, and if you're unsure, then just keep maybe replaying the video and seeing if you can remember those answers. Some learning reminders here. They've even given us, let's just move that. What time is that showing? Well, the hour hand is gone past 11, so it's 11, ... 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 11:25. What time would this look like on a digital clock? So I can write this one here, I think. 11, ... 25 for that one. And this one, what would it look like? So it's, well, the hour hand's gone past the 10, so it's 10 something. Really common, it's not 10:10. And know for my minutes, I have to count around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's 10, 50. And my answers are upside down underneath. Very pleased I got those correct. So there's some practice sheets there for you. I'm not going to go through all those because it is what we've done in the lead up to today's lesson. So you can have a go at the mild sheets, making sure you get your minute hands and hour hands the right length. The hour hands certainly shorter than the minute hands, and there's some answers there for you to double check. If you're stuck, you've got the games to play that we played. We could play like the Go Fish one where you turn them over and try and match them, or you can play the Dominoes one, or you could do this one where you're working with your parents or your brother or your sister, and you're doing this activity, putting the cards face down, read the time. This one, how do we say it, and find the matching, write the matching digital time. Okay, so you could do that. There it is. You can write the matching digital time on there. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of those, but you can play those games. The instructions are there if you're stuck. Here they've done it the same. They're writing the words 5:15 is the same as 5:15. If you don't want to play this game, it's fine. I do find the Dominoes ones and the Go Fish games are absolutely fantastic to play as well. And then check your understanding. So again, it links to all of our previous learning. Use that information if you're unsure. Go back and have a look. That should help you on these. All you're doing is drawing clock faces and putting on these times. And if you want to have a look, the answers are below. I would always say it's great to, you can put 4:45 as an extension. You could always put the digital time on there as well, so that you know. I'm sure you know when 4:45 is the same as 4:45. Nice little extra challenge if you want to do that. And you could draw that on there as well, 4:45. So I know 4:2 is going at the 9. And I know it's 4:25. It's not at the 5, so it's just before it. Just there. I've drawn arrows on here. Don't draw arrows. I shouldn't have really done that. Just draw straight lines. It's far easier to point. So I would just do it as, if I was to do it again, if I could rub it out, I'd just do it like that. Or is it? And I'd say my line's a little bit long there. Okay, you two, enjoy that activity. I'm sure you'll be absolute superstars at telling the time.